My class today we're going to magnify the power ecosystem here. Ecosystem mean the interaction between living and non-living environment is. The obvious thing here, the pond is a typical ecosystem here. Although I'm gonna make all these things, that is bloom, that is not good on there, because this is called water bloom, the excessive growth of ocean of water, because it will encourage the cyanobacteria. So this is question mark. Must be removed from the area, because then I'm gonna suffocate the life of eel fishes here. Anyhow, let me zoom this thing here. The most simple thing, just going to make it all these things awesomely here. And I guess very important here, I'm gonna make it all these things. Yes, some algae been here, right on the camera here. Some submerged here. Oh, we have a two-component an ecosystem, biotic, antibiotic, producer, of course, and ground life, that is algae. While in terrestrial life, we have that is just like producer is that they have tendency to make their own food, so they are called food user. So that is the business of green plant, and the largest producer, of course, that is sharecroppers. Yeah, and aquatic life, we're talking about the food chain, food web, the interaction, the stability. All these are only combined in the aquatic ecosystem, especially the stable ecosystem like aquatic Pacific Ocean here. While on the other hand, we have a worse ecosystem like tundra, Arctic here. Anyhow, these lights diffuse abiotic air, water, and of course sunlight, that is abiotic component here. So abiotic physical processes, we also call physical processes. They play a very, very important thing here. So this is very awesome here in pond. We have a lot of things here, some insects here, because here is some ducks being here. I'm gonna make part of these things here. I mean, yeah, there's a net behavior. What the general aspect of plant behavior, we consider plant behavior is innate behavior. Remarkable. All plant behavior is innate behavior. What about the diversity? Plant ecosystem, that is the typical example of habitat diversity. I mentioned that we have a diversity like alpha, the total species of that particular area. You call them, suppose you have a tree area 1, 2, and 3. So total number of particular species in area 1, that is area 1. And then when you have area 2, comparison of 2, you call them beta, while 3, the total number, you call them gamma diversity. Anyhow, sometimes these are very important, because we're going to mark these things, and for the ecological point of view, to know which species is dominant, which species co-dominant. So then we are going to mention these things, and we also made some list of species, which is, you call them endangered species, or sometimes we call the list going to be powered is a blue list here. So talking about the Canada is a great country, of course, that is. They have an extension, a lot of diversity in all aspects, because diversity means the total variation of place. Here, the perfect thing here, the interaction is perfect here. A lot of people here, because they can enjoy here. This is a recreation purpose here. Most people, they have their own life, but they can enjoy these things. Very awesome here about this here, I guess perfect tendency for me here to zoom all those important life here. But one thing which I have magnified, that is not a good sign here. That is water bloom, the excessive growth. And so there's question mark, because an inland lake and built pass, they've been, that has been alarm for those, because they produce the fresh water for the North Belfast here. The same patch in the Florida and United States, they have also, they also been declared emergency on these regards here. So these things are not going to be marked. This is question mark here. How will these things, because this is a red flag here. Otherwise, all these old things, the pull swing, this old thing, and interaction is very, very obvious here. So that's awesome. Thanks for your attention.